Hi everyone and welcome as you join us on a tour around Scarborough, the resort town in England's North Sea coast. While we are here, we'll be checking out the Scarborough Castle. We'll be also checking out the lighthouse and the harbour area. We'll then be eating some absolutely amazing chips situated at the Anchor pub and restaurant. Great place to go and get some chips and scraps. We'll take a quick look as well at the Victorian Central Tramway Funkular train, and then eating some absolutely divine and delish ice creams. So I hope you enjoy, everyone. So this is where the swimming pool used to be here in Scarborough. We're heading up there, so we're going to walk all the way around Scarborough and then up to the castle. So these are the Italian gardens here in Scarborough. Absolutely beautiful. No? You don't realise, but it's actually level. It just don't look level, but it's actually level. People are sitting in it, they're sitting level. I wouldn't want to be at the back end of it. I want to be where they're sitting. See? And boom. Hi everyone, so this is an interesting place I'm going to show you here. This is the Spore for townspeople. So basically there's a plaque here and it talks about how Scarborough owes its origins to as Britain's first seaside resort to the discovery in 1626 of some water that was coming out of an underground reservoir. The Spore waters contain the miracle ingredient of calcium sulfate, and attracted visitors from far and wide to sample its health-giving properties. So, yeah, we're just going to show it you. But folks, do not drink this water. This water is not healthy for you, trust me. There's signs there telling you not to drink it. So, this building here is the Grand Hotel Scarborough. So it's a famous landmark here in Scarborough. Now, Walk With Me Tim has done a walk around of this hotel I do believe twice. It does not get very good reviews, folks, but it's a massive hotel. So yeah, Just thought I'd show you that while we're doing a little walk around.
All right.
One life, live it. So this Holy Cow is always busy for ice creams, and then the Winking Will is always busy, and then we've got the Newcastle Packet Pub, which is undergoing a bit of restoration work, and then you can see the castle. We'll go in there later. Oh, there's mine on board up there, look. So we've got some chips. Oh, they're nice and fluffy. They're good chips. How good chips? What are your thoughts on the chip show?
Yeah, nice chips.
Nice chips. And we've got some scraps here. That's a bit.
Who says it's delish?
These are absolute delish. Lewis says these are delish. The Anchor, guys, very nice fish and chips. Captain Sydney Smith Bridge. So this is the old Vickers gun that was here. Even got its number on it. So it's 1914's Vickers Pattern 13. This was raised by a local fisherman. Recovered from a depth of 100 metres from the wreck of the SS Hornsung, sunk by a torpedo, 23rd September 1917. Pushes you in together, there's nothing you can do about it. That's it. folks. So we're now at the castle entrance. So we're gonna have a good walk around. Hopefully we're gonna get up there and we're gonna walk up to where them people are, that viewpoint up there. And have a wander around the castle. On the wall of medieval King's Hall. It's more from the inside of Scarborough Castle. That's what that would look like. Impressive tower, wouldn't it? Or castle. There's would have been the wall, look. That would have been the wall there. Yeah, and there's the top. I think. King's Hall was here. It was here, number 7. So it was there where that ruin is. Here, this was the King's Hall. We're not a trampler. Yeah, this was the King's Hall. That was King John's chamber block. So this ruins here, that's what it would have looked like in the 13th century, and that's what it looked like in the 19th century. So that obviously it was an existing building in the 19th century. It's obviously gone now. This is the view from the top. Wow, what a view. What a view. So this is the keep. This is what it would look like in the 12th century. And clearly this is what it looks like now. Okay, we're heading up the keep. It does seem that like some quite big construction work going off here at the church. This is quite a big one. Richard Wilson, who died here October 26, 1798, aged 60 years old. is another one on there, but I can't see it. So this is St Mary's Church, if you're wondering. It is quite a big church, and I do believe it's shut. That's the door, I don't think it's open. Ah yes, it's locked. It is locked, folks. I think it's locked. So that's it, everyone. Thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed joining us on this walk around Scarborough. We certainly enjoyed the day once again. We had glorious weather for it on this occasion. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. To the members of the channel, thank you as always, guys. And to the Platinum members, thank you very much indeed. And please, folks, subscribe to the channel and check out the playlist. I would massively appreciate it. So thank you and goodbye.